Okay, so why is this the best diet in the world? Because it's not a diet. The best diet in the world is a non-diet. It's a system that changes your behavior. It's a system that allows you to enjoy your food, to eat copiously, to enjoy the taste, to enjoy the sensation, to enjoy everything about food, and not to feel like, oh my goodness, this is something I've got to go through, some sort of pain that I've got to go through in order to have some gain later on. And we hear that all the time. No pain, no gain. And that's what most people associate with the idea of diets. Even the word diet sounds awful. It's got like die in it. For no one likes any kind of word that's got die at the first part of it, the first syllable. So let's think about this. If you want to create the world's best diet, it has to be a non-diet. It just has to be a system of eating that is enjoyable, that is pleasurable, that people are going to be able to stick to, and it has to be easy. It has to be simple. It has to be something that just about everyone can do. So as a result, what we did is we came up with a series of things that are so easy that everybody can do them. Not everyone will, but everybody can. We call it a minimum will system, and all we do is we focus on one tiny aspect of eating every single week, and we just try and improve that a little bit. And then the next week we move on to something else, and the next week we move on to something else, and we do that until we get to the 13th week, and then we repeat the cycle. So there's 13 things in total that we're going to be focusing on, and we're just going to do tiny changes, and tiny changes over a long period of time are achievable, and tiny changes over a long period of time get results, and that's what we're looking at. Ultimately, we're getting results. So if someone tells you you need to do the paleo diet or the 5-2 diet or the gluten-free diet or the vegan before 6 diet or any of these things, just say that's fine. You can do any of those things if you want to, but reasonable eating is the absolute best diet in the world. It's the best way to operate. It's the best way to change your habits for good. And the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Do it and you'll see how good it is. Okay.